I just wanted to introduce something called Zero HIV Stigma Day. I will, there we go. So it's really interesting because I think Rebecca it's as if she knew that we were going to be talking about this because she highlighted really specifically that it's about not just thinking about World AIDS Day, but thinking about it continually and having another opportunity to really raise awareness about HIV and the needs of those living with and affected by HIV. But I wanted to highlight this work that's a collaboration that has been put together by NAS, IAPAC, Global HIV Collaborative, and Fast Track Cities. So this is Zero HIV Stigma Day, which is due to be launched on 21st of July 2023. And there's the hashtag for you all. Essentially, it's really mobilizing a day of action and acknowledging that there are many days about stigma and discrimination, and we endorse and we work with those days and raise awareness, but we felt it was really important to have a day dedicated to HIV stigma. And the issue about these days is that they evolve, and I think one of the first things is coming together to have the day and then working in the future to think about what will we do in the future. But essentially, it's about igniting an annual day of bold and intentional activities. And this can be in many different forms globally, but the aim is to highlight the impact of HIV stigma, highlight the intersections of stigma and shame and discrimination that we've talked about so much today, reinvigorate or initiate action to mitigate the impact, and inform people for what they can do to combat stigma. Because what is really clear, and that we've said today, is that everyone has a part to play. But how do we galvanize people outside of these rooms, outside of these echo chambers, the policymakers, the GPs we mentioned, other people in healthcare, other people in commercial settings? How do we bring everyone together to say this is not just our problem within the sector, it is for all of us to make change? And I just want to, I think I skipped over, I lost a slide there, and I think this is really important to me. So when this day was proposed, it was really it was inspired by many activists, some in the room today, but and many globally. But one particularly is Prudence Mabele, who was the first Black South African woman who publicly shared her HIV status, and it had profound impact to those living with and affected by HIV in South Africa and beyond. And 21st of July marks her birthday, we've lost Prudence, but we felt that this is a day really to honor her as well. So I just wanted to raise awareness about this for you. We're going to be sharing information about it, but Zero HIV Stigma Day, 21st of July 2023.